Question number 10, which of the metal has the following has the highest packing efficiency? A iron, B tungsten, C aluminium, and D polonium. Well, here if we consider all of these, that is the iron crystallizes in BCC form. Tungsten crystallizes in BCC form. Polonium crystallizes in BCC form. Okay, so in BCC form, the problem is with respect to the packing efficiency. So the packing efficiency here is 68%. Here, the packing efficiency is again 68%. And here, the packing efficiency is 68%. On the other hand, when we observe about the aluminium, okay, so aluminium, on the other hand, it is going to show us a phase, that is the hexagonal packing system, okay, with 74% of packing efficiency. Therefore, the highest one is the aluminium with 74%.